So my name's Rick, CEO of the Be More Group, Be More Social and everything else underneath that as well.
What day is it today?
Today is Friday the 1st of October. The 1st of October is day one of a 3-month final quarter of the rest of the year. So what we're doing is we're holding our 90-day planning session. It's going to be a massive event. It's the biggest one so far. It is a year in anniversary.
How many people registered?
We have over 250 people registered.
Morning, Katie.
Cool. Shoot me. Look at the camera. Cool.
I'm going to fill it because I'm going to get muscly as
Saying that.
Can we have the aircon on, please?
I think it's funny when he asked for qualifications. Well, if I didn't have a qualification.
I've got a right dab on, David.
You want a dab?
No, not a dab. I've got a dab on.
Don't piss her off. I'm Callum and I'm the creative leader at Be More Social.
Are you getting nervous?
No, I'm not getting nervous, but what I don't want to be sweaty.
250 people.
250 people.
So I was going for a bigger shirt just to feel like if it bloats a little bit.
And he's gone white. And he's gone white so he don't sweat. Don't see the sweat.
Oh, yeah,
Put a jacket on so he'll Lee Evans through it. Hi, I'm Ben. I'm the operations manager here at Be More Social.
Say that one more time. Who's the real boss?
Me.
Let him in, let him in, let him in. 74 people waiting. We don't want anyone to drop off. We undergo like a bit of a vetting process because I want to work with people that want to affect change in their business. I don't want people to work with me that expects me to affect change in their business. We don't work like that. We give you the coaching and the guidance that ensures that you are armed with the correct toolkit. So we're after the right people.
Most annoying person is Elliot.
You, David, Rick, and I think it's Ben as well. They're the three most annoying. But you're all different, annoying for different reasons.
Apart from David, Rick.
I think I'm going to have to say Elliot.
Elliot's annoying because he thinks he's better than me for a start.
It's Elliot. He's so loud.
Yeah, Rick's the real best. He's the best boss. He's the only boss.
I think he does think he is me. He wears the same kind of clothes as me. He does his hair like me. He now wears glasses just like me.
Biggest achievement for me was definitely winning the best marketing campaign at BizX 2020. That was a huge achievement, not just for me personally, but for everybody in the whole team.
Wow, great question. Biggest achievement. I think the biggest achievement for me being here is I've been here nearly 4 years, and when I walked through the door, it was Rick and Danny, one of our web developers, and then I made the third person. And we've turned that from the three of us starting this kind of journey with an idea and a method for delivering it into what it is now, which is a team of just less than 20 people in a much bigger space, much bigger offices, and franchising the business, as well as having other aspects to the Be More Group, which is for me a huge deal to be part of.
Some kind of David's been excited about that for like over a week. Honestly, that's his only input in today, this video. So we have to let him do it, but thank you very much for being customers, thank you very much for being part of this. That was a successful one.
That was good.
You don't miss a Marty this
That
time,
way,
right?
they knew who we are. They wanted to work with us because we are, one of the best in the country, if not the best at what we do. If there isn't anyone that does what we do.
I think it's been nice to see the creative team grow from an achievement point of view, from a hiring perspective, bringing in new members of the team, different roles, different responsibilities, to now being able to facilitate the amount of clients that we've got. I think that's quite a big achievement.
My biggest achievement so far for Be More Social is actually coming out at the other end of 2020 on top.